Hello and good morning. Actually, welcome back to DefRekka Legend. I don't really do not know what kind of a 223 episode. It's morning time. It's 3 o'clock or something, and I just want to play actually 1 hour long, and then I'm going to sleepy again. Cheers up, Campaign. Das war diese Liebe, die Gott, Gott, bin ich nicht geschissen. I just wanted to play, goddammit. There's so much effort to be done at me in here, something. What the poppa? Hard stuff, my friend. Too much tequila actually in this beer note. All of these settings.
Hello all.
Did you just say to us, hell to all? Steht der Oktober noch drin? Lol. Wir haben ja bald schon Dezember. Das Spinnernetzwerk. Was ist denn jetzt hier schon wieder? Warum sitzt der Fahrer so weit auf der rechten Seite? Oder täuscht mich das? So, oder? Warum nicht in der Mitte, Mann? Achso, wegen dem Scheibenwischer. Okay, das macht Sinn. Solche Scheibenwischertechnik, Alter. Unübertroffen. Apropos Spinner, ich kenne da noch so einen kompletter Spinner. Auch nicht mehr alle Tassen im Schrank. Kleinen Moment. Ja, ich muss die Kamera echt mal wieder einstellen, oder so wie es mal war. Aber da muss ich Account switchen, das ist so dämlich. Das weiß ich, warum sie so riecht. Machen wir den Venti an, Mann. Du Spinner. So, und fertig. Schaut's bei dir so aus? Auf der Wagen.
Live jam on Spotify for this live estrum here, URL.
URL. Hat die loud ass. Ja, die Pommes könnte auch noch warten. Dann gehe ich mal schnell scheißen. Ich musste die ganze Zeit schon auch fix immer diese Einstellungen da umeinander tun. Dauert halt ein bisschen, ne? Shit happened. Das werde ich euch gleich beweisen können. Oh, liegt schon im Klo drin. Shit happened. She's still actually in the toilet already. The doo-doo butter. Premium. Premium doo-doo butter. Oh my god. Hey, I think, and I think there's all so much stuff I talk, that names like doo-doo butter actually still exist like Nutella or something, right? Like you going actually to the shop, just want to have, I don't know, peanut butter or something, right? I say all the time doo-doo butter because I don't want to say all the time I go to shit. I just want to go to make my doo-doo butter, right? I go to make my doo-doo butter, yeah. I fill it up in glasses, you know, and sell them. It's like these chocolate beans, you know, something like that. I don't know how to make actually these white stripe in there, but oh my gosh. Das wäre wieder was für die Baustelle, ey. There's something like to say to construction workers, right? Like, this is extremely good. But hold on, I just want to make this white stripe in there. This is... Oh. Some pervert will like it, but I don't really. I have no idea what I just say actually. I just tell myself. That's all. I just say how it is. But I thought was making my thinkings over that actually swarming, going over or something, or no, sorry. This is just a gentle way to say I go to shit. That's all. Geht schon wieder gut los, der Tag. How the hell? That's just making this white stripes in there. Oh, sorry. I'm a little bit dry. Cheers up. Oh my god, in the morning time beer drinking. I already drink tequila. Good night. Ja, lass mal krachen hier. Verdammte scheiß Lehne, Alter. Wie oft stütze ich mich da ab, Alter, und bricht wieder runter. Berühr die nicht mal. Hier ist die Kälte. Ja, warte mal nochmal hier. Oh mein Gott. Ich muss mir meine Zigarillo anzünden. Oh, passt schon. Geht weiter. 9, 10, let's go. Oh mein Gott. Und das hier wieder, wie geht denn das? Aber das ist automatisch. Action-Kamera, Junge. Das ist Action-Kamera? Oh, what the hell is going on? That's Action-Cam. Why is it so close? Auf Internet nicht machen. Das bläst mir nicht ins Gesicht. Ja, das war noch. So 119 was actually that for 2 days ago. Need for Speed. That is, Need for Speed. I mean, on DefNation4Real. Der ist mir aber ins Gesicht. Was ist das für eine Scheiße? Ist der Wind von draußen. Cheers to them, man. Genau. God. Das so funktioniert dann. Okie dokie. And that's why I just played that one, because it's our coins, right? Oh, the need some of these. Why you don't want to go down there to next? Ah, just it's weird. It's all please. Because in these story mission, or what is it called in single player career mission, there's no career. You can earn actually more money, more credits, better say. With an honor, bye bye, thank you very much. No, I didn't go there. I tried to go down from this event. This scamming in this game is pissing me so much hardcore. And he was already up there. I just was going down. No, he didn't do that. He goes directly to showroom. I hate showroom. Showroom is a piece of shit. Just earning actually after 200 racings, maybe one blueprint. And I was starting this game on DjVolgin, and that was for 5 or 6 months ago. One person was saying to me, go to showroom, you get the best blueprints there. Bullshit, man. Go to multiplayer, wait for some events, have more fun in there. Or daily events. The showroom is totally a waste of time. Don't do that. Make your daily goals, you're happy enough. You get enough for this. But the showroom, forget about it. It's a pure waste of time. Cheers. Yeah, passt schon so. Are these people just gone? There was 4 people actually, now there's just only 1. Confusing. Maybe it's my microphone because it's too loud. It's because the race, or better to say, the game itself is always loud. As yesterday on CarX, I was seeing my live stream after all, and I will see actually that my microphone is perfect fitting actually when I'm racing and talking. Because these cars sometimes very noisy loud. We know actually on this type on CarX right now we're just playing the Mercedes or the Corvette or something. I would say the Viper, not the Corvette. They're massive loud. I just woke up, just one nose actually is open up, the other one's actually stuffed. With the dust from yesterday on the construction site. My problem is, this is the side where stuffed actually where I don't get nosebleed, and the other one is open up for nosebleed. So when I'm snotting hardcore in a tissue, I get nosebleed. So that's why I'm breathing and sneezing fucked up. Nah, the last 2 days actually in construction site it was a little bit dusty. And it's kind of, you know that if you just want to get into this stuff, you know, it's not like actually to say, all right, here we go. Just going to construction site and I don't want to get dirty, you know. I hate that. I was going to the construction site actually to be with the construction site. I live it there. Other people actually say, okay, I close my mind actually after the construction site hours, actually these 9 hours, coming home, and that's then home. But I'm actually single, so I'm talking over the construction site. I'm not can shut off, you know. This kind of actually private life is constructor side as well, so I live with this. So to carry a mask is something like, it's just happened when it's really crazy going on, right? Did you say something? Nah. Huh. It's so silent here. As you say, you're already deaf or something. Now, I grew up actually in the farm hood, better say. My uncle was harvesting hops every year once. And since my childhood, actually, the machinery was very loud. And I don't know, my ears actually have been not so silly as, you know, for like other people to say, I need actually some kind of headset or something on, you know, or earplugs to get the noise away, like you just cutting something on the construction side, or I don't care, you know. I never get deaf. Only if I just been drunk hardcore and next day I'm waking up and somebody's get pissing me off and I'm being very silly as well. Yeah, then I get aggressive as well. I say shut the fuck up or something, don't cry me in my ears or something, this crack. But partly that happened actually. Cheers. Do whatever you want to try to deal done, right? A lot of things to do though. Take 3 times everything, right? That slipstream there can't do much. Oh, the car is so... what the hell? It's weighty much, but the steering is awesome. Ah, crap. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why is the car to go here? Oh my god, I'm confused. Want to go left, want to go right? I'm not the winner type in here with these slipstream shit. Whatever. It's already the finish line. Say, can we do that again? Oh, that was not even the last one. I hate the slipstream. And especially the car is immovable as hell. But it feels so fat. It's just out of these slipstream shits, then you get crashed. Yeah. Okay, I couldn't decide there. Want to go left or right, but that's not much. Yeah, big money. Is that big money? Yeah, okay, I take that big money then. Oh, how silly I am, right? Kanske ett Suffolk. Getting cold on my knees. No wonder if you have the window open up actually in the ventilation system is on stage 3. Because somebody's just saying your ventilation system ain't working. What's the price? A 360 knobs. Oh my gosh, seriously? Once I wanna try. But how you wanna do done actually a 360 knockdown? If you just want to stay actually behind the slipstream there. Well, that's fucked up. Subterranean dash. Subterranean dash. Some bottom out, some which. Right. How you gonna do done that? Like this one? Destruction! Move it. Oh, these lines are safe. Oh, bloody idiot. Sorry. Okay, they're coming home. Much better. What a noob. The first 360. What the hell? What a noob. Nah, it's cold. It's, I don't know, morning time in an hour. I just want to go to sleep again. Another 2 hours to sleep then. Yeah, here we go. Some money, y'all. Beat the timer for 6. Oh my, come on. 8 seconds. Oh, look at you. Look at that. Huh. Can you drizzle down, please? Gosh, stop that talking. It's the same shit. I claim. I'll be happy, I think. For God's sake. What a bullshit. There's music playing here in the background as well, but I'm playing with some music in my ears as well. It's twice the music right now for me. Trim the size of this crack. Right, we should have done something in here. Let's check out something else. You gonna be a scam. Money cash in again. Arigato domo honto. Hey, how many o'clock they have? 12 o'clock? 11:11. The Japanese have 11:11. Oh, what the hell is that? Let's get these 8:11. He's a terrorist. Oh my God. Hey, come on. Is that not calling at you jokes or something? I don't know. Your storage for this wild card is full. Do you have some space in order of request a donation? Oh, really? My storage is... oh my gosh. I'm broken, man. Hey, whenever actually Need for Speed Takeshi Sato actually gives away actually DefNation4Real, this is so weird. The last month DefNation4Real was with 6,000 reputation points. Not much. For you peoples maybe out there that you're playing in teams or something. Or in real memberships actually, clubs. Because these are my accounts, you know. First up DjVolgin, I started up, Platinized. Need for Speed Takeshi Sato, Platinized. Next up DefNation TB, what we're playing for right now, Platin. And DefNation4Real takes a month longer. Nah, whatever. Club reputation. Yeah, it says 7,900. Where are these secret reputations? Weird. So what we should do with these? How are we doing this? Maybe go to garage and send them away? There we have a chance to get away. Oh, come on. Just search my cars, man. Ooh, wow. So we can have one. But actually, I just want to pump up a car. Why is it like this? Ah, so close. For sake. Better say, where we can watch these wild cards. 26 cars in a massive of a 180 car garage. Sorry. Why can't I make it smaller in here? Normally you can, right? Filters. Brand. Ah, here. On. Gotcha. Get over here. Done. Thank you very much. No, nothing I can do done in here. It's just, you know, collecting them, but, you know, the E-card, right? See if that works. Burp. Enter the club again. Can I donate now? Yeah, now we can donate. I didn't know there is something like that actually restricting. Play on a race. Seasonal events. Here we go. Should hurry up, man. Wait. Already got blue fingers, man. It's so cold in here. Oh, whatever. Must be a curse or something. You're behind the moon, man. God damn it. Well, we have a chance there, we're there, but nothing to be done. 120k, all UK with that stuff. Must be really retarded if you've done something like that. Why is it so expensive, goddammit? Oh, this crap, man. Talked about that one actually before the time run out, but actually already timed out. But that was what, 1.5 hours ago. It doesn't matter what we're taking on. Playing other video games as well. The Elder Scrolls Online. Actually playing CarX already. Starting up actually a new account with the third live stream you already just did. Blah 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 blah. Focusation, my homeboy. Upgrading the car, my man. What is happening here? It's the real dude. Yesterday in the shower, wrote a good joke. Paradise actually something, but actually at the same time, actually if you go to a new shop and stuff like, right, I just made this up. And kinda just I was getting even nosebleed because I was laughing so hard. And making all the time these kind of get the snot out of your nose, you know, stuff. And I don't want to make this up here right now. I just want to get away actually a little bit with these snotty stuff. That's actually very funny. Don't think that be lonely? Can be happy? No. Oh gosh. Nothing? Alright. So that was a good idea, but there's nobody there actually to tell. Kind of joke again. Good filters. Already say done. You don't do, right? You have to do that all over again. Also, man, I don't have a car actually to be done this stuff, right? Gosh. It's all pumped up a bit. Fuck. Let's find a cheap car actually, it costs nothing much. The rabies, goddammit. A cheap car. There we go, there's one. Pump it up a bit. 4 or 5, there we go. Still the same 60, whatever. And get it away. It's so lousy. Alright, that's enough actually for today. Just was getting back actually. 20, 30. 55 you can have. Instead of the 60 I just was getting away. There's another one coming in, so already we just have everything about 60 shots came back. 60 we lost actually, Yondis as well talking, and we just get it running back. Nice. Nah, not all. I think a 10 is missing or something, or 1. Something like that. I don't care. Let's go to career. Rather the cheese of peace. But hold on. I like these daily challenges sometimes. Events. That's cool. Come on, yeah, Caribbean. Here we go. We have to claim something. It's just ours. Wow, it's getting colder and colder in here. So that my face is actually on my knees. Because the outside coldness, it's about -3 degrees actually comes in here. I'm sitting with underwear and a t-shirt actually in my room. If you just want to have a question. No wonder I get nosebleed sometimes. Try. They're dealing the deal done with that stuff. You already got everything. Win the race. We can't win the race, but we want to try because it's sometimes accounting. I do not know why that counts. As I was starting up for 6 months ago, or 5 months ago, it was actually, if you play Overclock Showcase, it was not counting actually for this daily goals. Winning the race, huh? The good old Batsy Bugatti. They pump it in. Ah, that's why I can't win. Not a fan of actually these stair raises in here. Need to leave. No, it's Ross. Sorry. Crazy wind. Oh, sorry. Raped. Cracked. Let me drive, goddammit. Oh. Oh man, we're not gonna win this one. Filthy nasty in here. What the hell? Oh, and then they're coming everywhere. I say from everywhere. The bunch of chaos. Ah, correct, man, first. Mother in hell. That was fun. Somehow. Not live again? Oh man, what's up, man? YouTube. Yeah, we couldn't win. Twice close enough, but then I overrun actually. Overboard. Oh, look at that. I say so, it was better. Just 1 second, what the hell? Nothing more to do done it. Enrage yourself. Take your bundle of joy and have fun. 1 and 8. Really? Oh, here we go. Now we. Why can I actually pump up right now the car with these? Because we won't actually use. I don't know what it was. These things there. With that important part. Here we go. Import part. I'm sorry, not important part, but they're important parts as well. The import part. Yeah, that's how to handle it on this one. You wanna drive yourself crazy with these snake? Actually, Ford Shelby snake. Nope. Okay. Wow. What I have one 1800 already. That goes crazy as well. I didn't ever paint that cars. Wow, there's no decals, not at all, nothing. That's crazy. It's a bad moving in here. You got your back mode off. What is always wrong with this stupid USB 3.0 hub, damn it. I have a good car, right? Why in hell I can't win? It has a 2000 actually in this rank. And everybody else wins like actually they have a 4000 in the rank. Let's see, where was the other Dodge? The other Dodge was second. 5 seconds, 7 seconds faster than myself. What the hell? Oh, whatever. No, I just say missed out. I just was going 3 times down with the D-pad. You piece of scam shit game. I hate that. No control over this game. No control. If you want. Yeah, we know already. Everyone's fine ass. What is with this USB hub, goddammit? That was broken like hell. Madre puta madre. Eat this out. So 1 to go. Ah, 1-8. Can't go anymore. Okay. This is like you can't play. This is like you can't play. This is like you can't play, right? Not even see actually what we're being done with. Okay, what I say? Alrighty. I don't even see the pictures. I know already. This is done. You can't play. 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 From nonsense shake left. 134. Need a little meantime. We need a little bit meantime. 3:31. Calling. Not getting any warmer here. Kuwait. Nicht Kuba. Ganbarimasu. Not letting me handle that good. I know you crashed me. That's why I just was getting a little bit early in the corner. Not actually, he's actually crashing them. No. I would say it's a shit game. It's just a shit game because it's stupid scam and it's laziness. But the rest, a piece of cake in here, like 75% is an amazing game. Oh, didn't saw actually the screen anymore. Why are you doing that to me? Mother and Tucker. From somewhere else, right? Haha, I'm first. Oh my gosh, I'm an asshole. Look what we won. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah. Whoa, a 21? Thought actually 60k or something. Crazy crack. What was very inspired that I won in here is actually these style coins there. It was nice. Finish the race. Oh, let's do that again, right? So finish the race with style points. And you need a lot of style points actually to pump up a vehicle or something you like. The money wasn't actually so bad. Let's race again. Nobody's watching anyway. Then you know somebody's watching. I can't even pump the car up a bit. Like to say a little spoiler or something. These style coins. That is the first cigarette I was smoking already in this 45 minutes you're right on live stream. Voila da shaker. Bye bye. Another one. Rüstung. Staffel. Oh, we won another one. There we go. Excuse me. Got too empty. Last run. When I can go down in here, God forsake. Here we go. Beat another picture, what the hell? That's amazing. Let me drink the beer out, please. Empty the beer. Not another resources, man. Arschvold. Ass crack. Calling a race game ass crack unite. Here we go again. Ass crack unite legend. Or ass crack legend united. These ass cracks are united now. No? Not working? Okay, what the hell then? Oh man, oh hold on. Here we go. Let's see what the girl says.
Asphalt Legends Unite. Ass-cracked Legends United smile.
Yeah, whatever, she's too fast. The ass cracked Legends United. This is bullshit, man. Humble. Could do a dumble. Ci occupying us probably so lose gold medals the next stream. Just 7 minutes just gone, as I was saying, actually 45 minutes live stream. So 51 here. 52 actually. Nobody must. So after this one we got a story mode or career mode or whatever it is, single player for me. Nobody must. Two jokes for them. See what else is good. The America Black bastard. Good concrete. Take the fuck on my god, nope. Nope. Not gonna win this little guy. Not gonna win this little guy, sorry. Wow, a 133. God damn it, he fucked it up. Yeah, I know, I crashed. And there was one time actually not the super, what's that called? The super nitro or something. The legend nitro there. I fucked it up. A half second. God damn it, whatever. But we won all these star coins and that was my reason to be in here. Nothing else. You're never gonna win this little guy. There we go, that's okay. Wow, 50%. Holy moly. Thank you very much for that event. Another pleasure. Look at that. 20 SR tokens more. Let's go to single player. Career mode they're calling it. Oh, he's so close. We need 800. So we need actually 102 flags. 800. And then we actually already got platinum. Crazy. You need another 40 cars and 800 flags, then I have platinum. Sorry. But these 4 cars are swarming in, believe me or not. What we can do done. Kind of a position we can have. Super moron, okay, in here. The car in here as well. Just a super race. I never played that car before the DLF. That's weird. So that falls down. You can claim all every time, everywhere. You're actually already being far enough. Claim mother touches then. Just such a heavy weight. What is it? You need a... Oh, come on. Airtime 10 seconds, no down 10. It's a haunted event, man. It's so bullshit. Wow, we have nice ride cars. There's another blueprint in here. You have the wild cards for that, that's for sure. One left. God damn it. So airtime 10 seconds, huh? The BMW is a nice vehicle. It's all about the speed, man.
Your problems are just not the same to us. We're dealing with things you ain't seen before. We're feeling the weight of our ancestors. We're healing what weighs never left alone. Don't have the time in the obvious. No help for the weak, but I'm living strong. Plenty here for it.
Rise to hell. Welcome to hell. Shut up. 10 knockers. Okay. Airtime 10 seconds. But we have to escape. Definitely. We need. I'm not gonna work. What is he doing? Fuck your time again, man. Can't give you air time, man. Much space in here, little guy. And the time is ticking. Oh, that was good. Seconds we need, man. Oh, that was fucking close to crash. "30 seconds left, dude." One of these done. Airtime is good. You're not gonna make this one, man. You have to be fast and the same time actually. Oh, forget about it. You lost. Wow. The time is ticking. You have to be done that stuff. I can't do it. If you should crash vehicles, it's impossible, but you have to be done that again. But not today. Nobody's watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Good night. This is nonsense the dealing done with. Fuck that two black then. Can't go forward anymore in here. Because we need another car and we don't have that. This event just died on me. Thanks, by the way, actually, not to say in commentary, actually something like, hello, how's it going, Chris? Or something like, that's weird. You peoples are so nonsensely right now and all the time. A hard time, a lousy time. You just give me nothing. If I feel bad, nothing. If I feel good, the commentaries that pisses me off. What the fuck? What is this? Game show something? Why this has happened in here? That's the weirdest part. What is epic parts you need now? Never happened before. You can't do that actually with normal parts. Since the epic parts are out there and you have to pay a lot of money, that is so unfair.
Thanks for no way to say THX Chris, apostrophe dot in wired living in such future. I feel bad and don't wanna play anymore. Comments so super rare this time.
Unbelievable. Why is my car stopping all the time from there? It's like the handbrake is on or something. Goodbye, I win this time. Here we go. And the season is over. Nice one. Silly time. know what I'm really done with. We concentrate and we give a fuck. You're getting shit old. You have, you know how to find actually for the construction manager some other words. I'm listening to him, but sometimes I forget what he's telling. But it pisses me off to say actually we are chaotic or something. I don't like that. I'm not a chaotic. Everything's cool. I have plans. That's plain to say. Was that? What was that? On the 666 of the event 6 you couldn't actually knock down what? Twice that stuff? Come on, dude. You can do it done better. It's a loader. Maybe I could find a color for that code, right? Why is yellow not yellow enough anymore? What about actually white? Just awesome. It's silly. This is so fucked up. My life, fuck that. I found my color already. That's my Lotus. Have some knockdowns, goddammit. Cheers. Where the popo at? Where's your popo? It's so easy. You just calm down and stuff like this. Focus side. My collar looks better than your collar. I grab this. crazy guys there. Oh, lovely, actually looking good car. But I think I don't fit in this car. Nah. I'm not fitting actually in this car. I claim because actually it's still hilarious in campaign mode. That was awesome to drive. 4 o'clock. Oh, that's time to pee. Don't forget, 1.5, I need to sleep. Calm down my heart and the alcohol get away. Who's the flasher? Nobody drinks like me actually. Nobody's actually dealing and acting like myself. People go to construction work. I'm a weird guy. Ah, jetzt haben wir das dann wieder raus tun. Typisch Markus halt. Der Beton bleibt jetzt da drin, um euch zu beweisen, dass da nichts knirscht und knarrscht oder sonst was. Ich werde den Scheiß erzählen, Alter. So, Bullshit, will ich nicht hören. Das erlebt ja so oder so nicht mehr mit, Alter, in 20 Jahren, dass da unten mal ein Riss entsteht. Verarschen oder was? Gehst du mal zum Zahnarzt, legt dir da auch noch Wolle rein, bevor er dir deine Füllung macht oder was? Ein Bullshit. Scheiße, Alter. Alle arbeiten gegen mich. Kann mich mal am Arsch lecken, Alter. Das letzte Licht in der Firma. So schaut er nicht aus. War da wohl nicht präsent in der Schule oder so. Der Beton bleibt drin. Mist, Alter. Das ist ein Bullshit. Das Einzige, was da geht, ist das ganze Gedönse da oben. I think you can claim something, you know that? Oh yeah, sure. Some medication. That's for tokens. Oh, another 51. Jemands Messer hinten in den Rücken reinstecken, oder wenn du dort auf der Schusswaffe oder so Kernel oder so, oder Admiral. Oder nicht die Scheiße, oder passt schon, oder? Die Sorg hat seine Richtigkeit, so schaut es nicht aus. Es ist die ganze Zeit zu 99% bewiesen. Ich würde auch mal auf mich hören. So, noch 10 andere Ratz. ANniversity. Oh my gosh, this car, this name. Nothing against each other, but god damn it, what kind of a name? ANniversity. Oh no, why this complicated name, right? Somebody get complicated in here. God thanks, that isn't a CarX, that actually having a car like Lotus called that Rotus or something. Rotus 266 or something, just choking me down. CarX is a wonderful game, by the way. Check it out by yourself. No micro cash in, just actually dealing down your car, drifting, time attack, and you can go online multiplayer actually as well. I loved it actually over 6 years now, and I'm still playing it. I have the DefNation4Real account. I started up actually my account again. Can share actually your blueprints, your vehicles, paintwork, and also you can share actually your setup on the car as well. That's very important in this game, that you have a setup. Don't be silly. Type in your PlayStation 5, I don't have, CarX Drift Racing Online. Maybe fascination about that one. This this game actually makes it a hot fun. I really want to play it right now, but you know it's late. I just need to sleep 2 hours. Already was sleeping actually 3 hours long. Cheers. Oh yeah, by the way, whatever. Cheers up. Campaign shot. Det ser ut som vi ska gå till next game. The perfect wonder. The only car I just kind of pop up these days. Ganbarimasu. Ja. Good luck. Going to the Colosseum, that dang. Garbage truck. Your time of 58 exactly? Are you joking? Ah, come on. Where are the other thousands? Thousands. Yeah. Would love actually go back to Mortal Kombat. But I can't play these Mortal Kombat 1. There's already actually Mortal Kombat 2 actually coming out next year. What the hell? Like this Resident Evil Requiem or something, I don't want to play. It's a bullshit game. Coming back actually to, you know, Raccoon City, it's just like, what the fuck. The worst nightmare after the atom bomb there. Fuck it. This is the first Resident Evil I'm not playing. Wow. And I'm a fan since more than actually 35 years. Ah, 30 years actually, sorry, 30 years. Hardcore fan of Resident Evil, Metal Gear Solid, stuff like that, you know. It's more than actually 19 years I'm actually a fan of these kind of Ken Block and Bongim Jr., but not anymore. I stopped that one. It's just like, you know, an era has to end. Cheers. R.I.P. Yeah. 19 years or 20 years now I'm on the construction side. What the fuck? Hey yo, what's going on? I'm butternut. Stunts? Das sind schon Stunts. Here are some popo or something. Ah, come on. Thank you. %40 left. Gotcha. It didn't count? Ah man, in front of the finish line, okay. Oh no. Shoot. And I was doing a 360 and it was actually a half through. Okay, I understand. Accept that. Damn it! It was hard to race. Why are they so fast? Ding the ding ding the damn. Yeah, claim. Came back. Cheers. How the hell? I just didn't do that. I forgot. Do a 360 to stunt work as well. Made mad. Like Maiden all the time. I'm done with this actually sketching down actually the Padlet and tablet shit. What is this? Ah! He was always like, ah! Wanna drive another vehicle or something, sir? Let's do it. Just for fun. Just for the stunts. Hey, there was coming out a new movie out there, something like the stunt stuff. Man, that... Okay, it's so much actually overriding actually with this kind of technology on PC more times. But this is so amazing to watch. I saw the trailer. I can't remember the name of this movie, but what the fuck? This is amazing cool. Like a decoy actually of a stuntman and... yeah. Killed someone or something. But at the same time, actually, he didn't, so he tried to prove it all the time with the pyro techniques, and that is so... It looks amazing, that movie. I should watch it. That is an €8 on Amazon Verb. Definitely. That's why I need the community and the commentaries actually like to say what kind of a movie I'm in for. But I don't have. Not anymore. Since it was on PlayStation 3. The PlayStation 4 time ruined me actually by having friends and commentaries a lot. Having fun with them. No, you know, 99% I talk to myself and making my comedy actually by myself. Makes no fun anymore. Life is just trist since the last actually 13 years now. That is amazing lot of time. Talking to myself the last 13 years now. Cause the PlayStation 4 brings no fun, only actually having around actually children. No community since 7 years now. On the PlayStation 4, they shut it off. That's so fucked up. Whatever there's a thought about that one. Do you wanna ride actually with the... I can't. God damn it. Oh, the big asses in here show places in here. Speak. Cheers. Upperclad with deer, aka Christopher Berg. I take place on that 2025. You take him. Vitalik? Mr. Vitalik? Yeah, that's a scam. Show up. You simp. Czechoslovakia, they say, but actually Czech for me. She's out, Vitalik. Why do you need it? With the talking, but whatever. You got a nice beard, man. Yeah. Some of the Czechs actually don't have beards. Getting older, he say. Something unique. Let's guess what we're dealing done with. How about that actually? We can change actually tire work and stuff like this one. You can't deal done that stuff in here, right? With these wonderful wood can. Five? Come on. Welcome back to Scotland. Oh, sorry, man. Mate? You have to say mate? No. It's a 4:20 here right now AM. What the hell? Is these like Mariana or something is trapped. 4 o'clock and 20 minutes after. 2 hours after we stay up then. My toes are already frozen up actually. It feels like actually I have my toes in the snow or something covered. Ah, this paint job, I don't know, you know. It's not like I just want to have you done that stuff. This is more like other style, right? Especially for that car. Nah, it looks awesome. Don't you want to skip? Waiting for 2 hours long? Forget about it. You've done the job, my sir. Shit up. Not San Francisco, Scotland, San Francisco, what the hell? Oh, of course, Popo, papers, registration fee. Hey. What's your mouth, man? Oh, man. What's the crashing of the police Popo car there? You ruined my day. And another one that comes up here. Back up, guys. Back up. Why is the car stopping here so hard? Thank you. Compromise that. You're never gonna win this one, little guy. We have another fuel actually of 60 liters of benzol. We're going to Chicago, man. Like that. Nah, Detroit is too far away. First up, Chicago from San Francisco. Oh, we're going to Vancouver, I don't know. What the hell? But we had to refill them. Oh, these icy roads there. Slippy. Let me just have a little job done with the toilet. The car's actually ideally done actually some what we can call it. No. Honey citron actually out of pee. That's just bullshit I'm talking now, of course. Being drunk in the morning time? Oh, dude, 1.5 hours of sleep. What happened today? Let me get. Nothing. Let's do something. Since yesterday I know what's happened. It's 2 weeks actually we know what happened. And there's the idea actually with this soft making there, with this concrete wall and blah blah and talking. I'm talking shit about around it. And now the boss is finally back from Egypt actually, from his surfing. Let's see how he feel like it being done with that stuff. You're not gonna be get pissed on him, so. But I see actually nothing will change. Nothing. What's that? Some person grow up, but the other chaos guys actually will be actually since 20 years being in here. Nothing changed from them, but it changed. That's fun. I always say over 20k, we just play. Oh, Genki Dash, how you feeling? What's going on your mind? There's comment here actually below. comment below down there. You
It's
can
for
write.
free.
Yeah, I think so. I'm talking now to myself. Cheers up, Campanas, bro. It's a little bit called what to be next stream. Reputation just played? Okay. Since when? Get the up at that lifetime. Back shoulders. For time, per second. Okay. Gang, 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 gang. That's pretty much over there. Wow. Shit. Oh my gosh. Ich hab diese schmuddelige Farbe hinbekommen, Alter. Leck mich am Arsch. Die hat echt verdammt gut ausgeschaut. Es war schon irgendwie heller, aber nicht das. Wie habe ich das hinbekommen, verdammt nochmal? What the hell? Ich krieg nicht mehr hin. Okay, warte. Hm. Oh, das ist ja schmutzig. Wie habe ich das hinbekommen, Alter? Ich krieg's nicht mehr hin. Okay, nur eine Idee, nur eine Idee. Bullshit, okay. Dann mal runter. Die Farbe nicht mehr, was ich zuvor hatte. Wahnsinn. Das hat ja überhaupt nichts geholfen, Alter. Ja, weil der das verändert und ich weiß schon, worum es geht, aber ich krieg's nicht mehr. Krass, Alter. Drastische Änderung. Magenta. Ach, the music is not fitting as well. I hate that. If you try to do something, the music is not fitting. Fuck. I mean, I'm pissed. Why is it always 100% for safe? Pot. It feels like a Japanese account now, like Gran Turismo. Let's get back to work. Take, we need to take. Cheers. You son of a mother talking truck. I can't win anymore. Ah, fuck! This stupid truck there. Whatever. I feel actually unattractive about this color paint actually on my car. It's not my style. I feel it like a bit disgusting. Oh, we have to change that, definitely. This is not a winter color or something. I pay for purple, I just don't not get purple. I feel pissed. Okay. Sorry for that one. You got purple? Where is purple then? Where's the second color? Where is the second color in there? There's no second color. That makes me so mad. Purple needs actually second color. One color and the second color. Where is it? You tricked me. Madness starts up, man.
You must think I have a death wish, leaving everybody breathless. It's always my time. The city is mine. You should learn to just accept it.
This is not fair. Where's the second color? Where's the purple? That makes it so hardcore actually being pissed off. There's a purple effect. This is not fair. Ah. So I choose it, man. That was not fair. Where is the second color? Hey, normally you pay for that and you get a second color. Customize 1, customize 2. Where is it? Why did just... What is this? And you can't even pay for that. I feel fucked up now. This is not fine. That's it? What we get? Getting worse and worse here right now in this game. What is wrong with this game makers? I can't believe that. Get worse and worse in here in the game. You pay for something. They have whatever they have, but I don't have the color on my car. I feel lousy. I don't want to play anymore. This is shit. They destroyed the game. Completely. They destroyed the game already. like a Mumify or something. Yeah, I know you go. No watcher anymore. Not attractive enough for him. The soul is lost. Even at one, doesn't matter. Nobody's watching. This is so unfair. It's not even my fault. It's just a game. You pay for actually your paint work and you not get it. Nitro 50 seconds, and like the airtime 5 seconds, blah 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 blah. I hate what the hell is happening here. For 6 months, that was a perfect, awesome game. I just was getting into it. Ugh. What is wrong with this game? Where's the double times actually you have actually your color? Is it not possible in this car? On that car? I feel drizzled, man. Yeah, whatever. Lost a grill, I go off then. I feel pissed. Nobody's watching anymore? Hey, nobody's watching anymore? Wow. They really give up. Hey, it's not my thing, you know. Okay, whatever you wanna be done with. In 2 hours I have to go to my job. You know what? I'm just changing game. I go to DefNation4Real. I just not coming to work today. Fuck it. Life is just so changing. Ich finde es für eine Frechheit, ehrlich gesagt, mir zu widersprechen oder in der Hinsicht, dass ich weiß, dass das nicht einmal reißen wird. Da braucht gar nichts gehen. Aber egal. Bin mal weg dann. Ein Witz ist das. Warum livestream ich überhaupt, oder? Wer livestreamt denn überhaupt noch diese Tage? Ja, weil sie doch nichts verstehen, Alter. So kleine Kinder, Alter. Du siehst doch mal, was für Kinder das sind. Na gut, keiner schaut irgendjemand zu. Wow, 0. Also auf gut Deutsch, ich brauche mein Handy nicht. Kann ich ausmachen. Jupp. Wird schon passen. Dann scheiß drauf. Wird schon. Das brauche ich dann auch nicht, oder? Scheiß an. Ich bin ja gar nicht online. Scheiß drauf und tschüss. Kann ich jetzt eigentlich so gesehen meine Scans starten einfach mal, wenn er möchte. Und drauf geschissen, Alter, auf euch. Schaut eh keiner zu. 0 Leute, 0. Wow, das hab ich auch noch nicht. Dann scheiß drauf. Brauche ich mich auch nicht mehr. Brauche ich auch keinen Livestream mehr machen. Was für ein Mist. Widescreen. Oh je. Nehmen wir einfach alles mit. Dann warte mal. Eine Verarsche, Mann. Pure Verarsche mit der Qualifizierung, mit der Painting Work. Forget about it, man. Eine pure Verarsche. Eine pure Verarsche ist es. Eine pure Verarsche ist es, ne? Ich will kein Color, oder weißt du, wie ich will? Das Spiel ist so für ein Arsch, Alter. Das ist ein Dreck. Kommst nichts. Du bekommst nichts. Verarsche ist es. Fucking Scam. Das ist unglaublich. Es ist sinnlos wie noch was. Ja, es ist sinnlos. Es geht ins Gewinnen. Ich habe nicht gewonnen, Mann. Und dann hauen die so dermaßen ab. Wie geht denn das? Wie geht das? Und dann packen sie so ab. Ein Rennen ist wie das komplette Leben, Alter, wie sie dich fühlt. Ist ja nicht normal. Was für ein Beschiss, Alter. Ja, das ist nicht ernst genommen hier. Scheiß drauf. Ohne Scheiß. Scheiß drauf. Ah, meine Hüfte tut so dermaßen weh. Da fragt auch keiner nach. Scheiß aufs Leben, Alter. Aber lass ich mir jetzt auch mal 6 Wochen krank schreiben oder so ein Scheiß. Tja, so ein Witz. Scheiß aufs Leben. Ich hoffe, ich stirb bald. Da gebe ich schon die ganze Zeit und bekomme nichts. Ich bin schon so ein toter Mann, oder? Ich bin so kalt wie ein Eisblock. Den ganzen scheiß Jahreslauf. Keine Liebe, keine Romanze, nichts. Nur Scheiß am Laufen. Ja, ist 5. Scheiß drauf. Machen wir durch, oder? Schau die Karte. Mir ist kalt ohne Ende. Die anderen, die liegen noch im Bett. Leichenknechte. Ich hier raus. Ziel erreicht.